Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Living Life Within a Budget. My name's Mandy. Today we have a Temu haul. Some things that I needed around the house and some birthday gifts. Let's get into it. So first we have here, now I ordered this and I thought it was going to be like a Funko Pop in a Funko Pop box, but it's not. But it's okay because I'm an out-of-box collector anyway. But it looks pretty dang close. And it's Homer with Marge from The Simpsons. And it does say Funko on the bottom. But again, this is from Temu, so I wouldn't trust that. But for an out-of-box collector, this is going to be perfect. And that's for me and my husband. Next item we have here these are also for me. This would have actually been perfect for today's outfit, but they're butterfly earrings. My favorite color is blue, so I had to get the blue. Next thing we have here is something I've been meaning to get for a while. It's a pet nail grinder. This actually looks pretty fancy. Let's see. I don't know if it's, oh, it is charged. It goes pretty fast in there too. I'm hoping that this works really good because my animals don't like to have their nails cut. So this would be a lot easier for me if this works. And then this is the top for it. It's actually really convenient. And then it also comes with a charger cord here, which is a Type-C, so, which is good. Okay, next thing we have here, I actually got two of these, so I'll show you one. But they're cat bowls, but they are elevated so that the cat's neck doesn't have to have such of a hump. This is going to be a great upgrade because my cat is chunky, so she needs to have her head elevated a little bit more. So I got two of the exact same in blue. I will be getting dog bowls next time I go Temu shopping, but they'll be bigger. Next thing I got here is a 6-pack, but they're bread twist ties. They're clips. You put the bag in there and then you clip it and it's shut. These are a necessity around my house because now that they've come out with those paper tags on bread and milk and stuff, it's really hard to keep them straight and stay on. So these are going to help a lot. And it's a 6-pack and they're all the same color. Okay, next is a birthday gift. They're called Namaste 48 Stress Less cards. Now, this is going to be for my mom, so I can open it and show you guys one or two cards. And how the box looks, because they have a weird label on it. And there's the box. Let's see the random card that jumps out at me first. And it's that one. You can pause the video if you'd like to read it. But these, I think, are going to help my mom with her stress and everything. She can just pick one out and do what it says. And this is going to go great with her mushroom book, her mushroom encyclopedia. So she's going to really like that. Next, we actually have something to help me with my videos for you guys. Because I've noticed myself that apparently I talk very low, but in real life I'm talking really loud. So I figured I'd get a little clip-on mic to see how it helps. See, and you just plug it in and it clips right on. Might be somewhere. So in next video, keep an eye out for this and then let me know in the comments how it works and how my sound is sounding next video. Next item here. It's actually a pin for my husband. I want the exact same pin eventually though. But it's the entire Family Guy cast. That's actually really well done. And it's a decent size too. It's a couple inches big. I really like that. I'm going to have to get another one for myself as well. Okay. Now, next thing is an 8-brush set. And it comes with all different shapes and sizes. And we've got the biggest one here, all the way down to the littlest one. And these are going to be great for cleaning cups that I can't reach my hand into, or vases. And like, see, this one has a spiral on the top so that it's stronger to scrub at the top. In straws, these are great for straws because I have a lot of reusable straws. And then this little guy. I thought this was the coolest thing because it can get right into the grooves of like the top of your lid of a cup. And right where you can't quite reach with the sponge, this will reach just fine. So I thought that this was an amazing thing. And then the last one here is like a thicker pipe. I don't know what this one would be used for necessarily, but every other one would be used for cleaning purposes. This could maybe be used for like cleaning grout. So it'd be very useful. And that was an 8-pack. And there's little smaller brushes, which can all be used for different size straws. And last item we have here was a little fun one for me to go along with the ones that I got for Christmas. And it's an early birthday gift for myself. But it's a Central Perk sign, and it's a tin sign. And this is from the show Friends, if you do not know. And I like both Friends and Gilmore Girls, so I want both of them. But I really like these tin signs. I'm getting really into them. I'm about to have like a collage all over my wall. And there you have our Temu haul. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you like everything? Would you purchase something that I got? Let me know. Make sure that you subscribe because we're trying to get 100 subscribers by February. So it's coming close, so let's go. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to join up to Temu, make sure that you're clicking the affiliate link that's in the description box of every video. When you click that link, if you're a new user, you'll get up to $100 in coupons when you sign up. And I think that's everything for today. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye.